security there. I see the alley gas station. Very nice.
Baby, this is the sunset, and we don't care much about tomorrow, and it's okay.